Hello guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to go live on Coverstar. So Coverstar is a kind app for just like TikTok where you go through watch videos and a lot of things, and people try to actually go live and find it difficult. So this video is for you. And if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So first thing you have to do is install the Coverstar app. And if you have that and you've logged into your account, all you need to do is click on the plus sign below. Once you click on that, you are going to supposed to come in, check to grant all this. Need to grant a lot of permissions. Click on permissions and I'm going to allow and allow others. So you have to allow others as well and make sure they all set up. So once you do that, click on that and you're good to go. So you have to go back to Coverstar app and click on the plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, you're going to see this. It's going to look like this. So how do you go live? You're supposed to actually see a live option right below where it says mic. But if you're unable to see this, know that you're supposed to actually have some requirements, go through some criteria, which it says right here. You need to be verified on Coverstars, and also be sure you abide by strict safety guidelines to maintain account eligibility, and also be an active content creator on Coverstar app. So once you get all this, you'll be able to see the live option on your Coverstar app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.